Hello guys, I hope you are all doing great and welcome to Angular full series. In this video I'm going to show you how to use NgSwitch directive in Angular. In the previous video we learned how to use ng-for to loop through the object or array, and we also learned ng-style to style our element, and we also used and learned ng-class to add or remove classes in our HTML element. In this video I'm going to show you how to use NgSwitch to set condition on your HTML element. So NgSwitch directives on a container specify an expression to match against, and we have NgSwitch, and also we have NgSwitch cases. Okay, how we can use it? Let's see and practice. Okay, for example, I have a simple project which is app component.html and app component.ts. Inside my app component.ts I have an array of object which has name, age and country. Okay, and inside my app component.html I have an order list, and I loop through the array of object by using ng-for. Okay, and here I used NgSwitch. Okay, bracket open NgSwitch and bracket close equal. Inside this expression we can set any expression. For example, I used NgSwitch person.country. If the person from UK, NgSwitch case we can use. If the person from UK, print or display person.name. Okay, let's remove this and see in practice. As you can see, I have 2% which is from UK. Let's see. As you can see, these 2% are from UK. For example, if I want to print the person from Mars here, for example, how we can do that? Very simple and easy. A list and NgSwitch case. Okay, print the person from Mars. What should it print? Not person dot name, and also person dot age, for example. Print it out. Let's see the output. Morse. Oh, let's see Morse. Oh, it's capital. It's capital. Control S. As you can see, he is from Morse. The name of the person and the age displayed here. That's how we can use NgSwitch and NgSwitch cases to display or to not display HTML element in your Angular project. Hope you will like the video. And we also forgot ng-default. We have also ng-default. If no expression will match, so what should it print? Just person dot name. That's it. As you can see, I have also everything. So that's how we can use NgSwitch and NgSwitch cases. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you out with that. See you guys in the next video.